Here is what I wish I knew before I traditionally published my first book. Number one, your first draft is going to suck. Okay, so try and get through it if you must. The first draft of my book compared to the final draft of my book were worlds apart. It wasn't even the same book. So honestly, just push through. Leave a placeholder if you must. Write, this is a fight scene. This is a self-love tool that I will be introducing at some point. Just fill all the pages and the blanks as much as you can and push through that very, very first difficult draft that you need to get through. Number two, your readers are literally your best friends. And when I say your readers, I mean your beta readers, your editors, the support team that's going to be reading every single draft that you write. Rely on them, utilize their expertise and the resources that they have, and even utilize your work colleagues, your best friend, your partner, your family, whoever is willing to read the first or second or third draft of your book. Utilize them, reach out to them, because all the feedback that they provide, as well as your editors, is going to guide that book into becoming the book you were always meant to write. Number three, you're not alone. Writing can feel like the loneliest job ever sometimes. It can feel like there's no one else but you and your thoughts when you're sitting there and trying to get things out on paper. But the beauty of traditionally publishing a book and having a team of editors and support available is that you're not alone. Anytime you feel confused, you can reach out to a group of wonderful experts and people who truly care about your book and want to get your book to the best possible potential that it could. Whenever you feel like you need some advice, whenever you feel like you're stuck, you're not alone. Writing a book when you're a part of a team from a really good publishing company, a publishing company that cares about you, is the best thing that you could do, because throughout the process, you constantly feel supported. You feel like your book matters. You feel like what you're writing matters. And there's never a moment where you think that you're just lost in your thought. There is always someone there. There's always someone there to guide you and talk to. Number four, your book matters and your story is not embarrassing, and it's not something that you think you shouldn't share with the world. I know how daunting it can be when you write a book, okay? When you write a book and it's something that's very personal to you, especially in my case where I wrote a personal development book and I just felt like there was so much of my vulnerabilities in my personal life that I didn't know whether it was something that I wanted to share with others or not. I was afraid of what people would think. And honestly speaking, people want to hear your story. People want to know where you came from. People want to know about your characters. People want to know about your thoughts and your inner workings in your mind. And so whatever you're writing, whatever story you're creating, whatever book you're writing, it is important. People do want to hear, and it's not embarrassing at all. What you want to say, people want to read. So make sure that you don't give up on it, and follow me for more tips and tools.